Hello, my name is Lindsay and welcome to my channel, which is full of luxury and designer unboxings, lookbooks, and Hawaii lifestyle. I have had an absolute boom in subscribers, which I'm absolutely so thankful for. I literally went from like 60 to over 2,000 in a number of days. So to all of you, I want to say welcome. With a mixture of new fall season items as well as 2024 shows that are going on right now, I wanted to update my luxury wish list because I love watching these wish list videos because it introduces me to pieces that I may not have otherwise heard of, and then now that's something that's on my wish list. So hopefully I can do the same for you. These items on this wish list are going to be accessories or jewelry, but there's a reason for that to me. Although I have loved luxury and designer fashion for a long time, I still feel like a baby when it comes to my collection. And I think that it just is a better investment to buy jewelry or accessories when you're just getting started. If like your ultimate dream is to have a luxury designer closet, I do think that accessories are actually one of the best places to start, because if you think about jewelry and accessories like bags, as long as you don't go too trendy and you stay close to a capsule closet or, you know, neutrals, classics, things like that, then that is going to live on forever. You know, if you buy some Chanel studs, those are always going to be your Chanel studs until the end of time if you take good care of them. However, if you buy ready to wear off the bat, those are usually the trendier pieces, and you're gonna find that they're gonna come and go and you're not gonna like them, or society is not going to like them. Trends are not going to go together over time. However, your brown leather bag and, like I said, like your gold hoops, those are here to stay. While I am building my collection, that is mostly what I'm going to be looking at. So to get started, let's talk jewelry. You know me. If you know me by now, you know we're going to start with Bulgari. You saw these earrings in my latest vlog where I had a Bulgari event and my SA Eugen showed me these. They are the Diva's Dream earrings. So they are 18 karat rose gold and have mother of pearl and diamonds. Two things that I think have become apparent on my channel already that, you know, I wasn't even that aware of myself until I watched these videos over, is that I love Bulgari and I love rose gold. So this combines two of those things. I think this is also, and don't get me wrong, it's not realistic, but as far as price point and Bulgari we're speaking, it is a lower price point. It's not low by any means, but it is under $3,000. They are $2,910, which if you just want your hands on a Bulgari piece, this would probably be most worthwhile piece that's going to be that low. They do also have a version that has just diamonds on it instead of the mother of pearl, which is very blingy, very gorgeous, of course, but that version is over $11,000. So $2,900 over 11. I think these look very expensive, very sophisticated, and I really like them. So, and again, if you are going abroad or to Hawaii, always remember that Bulgari is 10% off. Another Bulgari item that you also saw in my vlog is their new Roma small top handle, which I already have two Bulgari bags in the past like 2 months. I don't really need another one, but oh my gosh, I love these. The small top handle is about as big of a purse as I would go. I'm gonna probably do a lot of air quotes in this video because I do like my mini purses, and this one is shaped like a larger purse. One thing that I absolutely love about Bulgari purses is the weight. Their hardware, like they are not afraid to make it heavy. And I freaking love that. If I'm paying that much for a bag, I want to feel heavy. I want it to feel expensive. And when you pick up this bag, you are like, damn. It's kind of like the same effect as like holding a weighted credit card. You know what I mean? Like, does it mean anything? Not really, but it's kind of like, this feels good. So as for this bag, what caught my eye initially was the ivory version, and it actually is in silver hardware, which I don't normally love, but I don't know, this one got to me. I don't really like white bags, and they're also very risky, but for this one, I was ready to risk it all. I was just like, that is a good looking purse. And then they have a yellow color, and I don't know, there's just something about that, like, do you not want to take this to Italy? Like, it just makes sense. This one also has gold hardware, which is very pretty with the yellow. This bag is actually really expensive for a Bulgari bag. They are $4,900 for the small top handle. And I mean, I know it's Bulgari you're talking about, but I do kind of think that is ridiculous, especially when I got my Serpentini tote for you know, like $3,900 is the regular price plus like the 10% discount for being in Hawaii. So I don't know. I mean, I know you get more purse, but it doesn't seem more elevated than the Serpentini tote. And also you're not getting any serpentine in it. Moving on to Cartier. I currently do not have any Cartier in my collection, but one item that I have had my eye on is the Justin Clew bracelet in the small model, okay? There's many variations of the Justin Clew. If you're not familiar with Justin Clew, it basically looks like a nail that is wrapped around your arm. So they have a small model and then the regular Justin Clew. And the price difference is huge, but honestly I like the look of the small model better, because to me the regular one is just a little too chunky, it's a little too gaudy, it's a little too out there. I want the more subtle, quiet luxury look. So for the small and regular model, they're gonna have the white gold, yellow gold, and rose gold. Guess which one I want? Surprise, I want the rose gold. They also have the variations with no diamonds, a little bit of diamonds, and a lot of bit of diamonds. I would like a little bit of diamonds. So the Justin Clew in 18 karat rose gold with a little bit of diamonds. And the small model, if I haven't said that already, is $5,050. However, if you were to get the regular version with a little bit of diamonds, that's going to be $13,300. So we're talking about an $8,250 difference in the small and the normal version. Is it really worth that? No, that's the answer. No. Next, I am looking for some silver or white gold earrings because I do have these rose gold ones for now. Of course, my dream list, I have the Bulgari Divas Dreams. And then I have my Louis Vuitton studs, which you see in almost every video. That is my gold designer pair. But you know, sometimes we have to wear silver. Okay, I know it's not our favorite, but we do it. And I have always thought of the classic Chanel studs where it's just the silver or white gold hardware with the CC logo and then it's studded in some crystals. That is what I always envisioned for my silver earring. However, I looked on their website today and they do not have those studs anymore. So I'm wondering if, I don't know. I mean, maybe they're scaling back on costume jewelry. They are like trying to be more like Hermes, be more exclusive. So I don't know if, like, since this was on a lower price point for them, they usually ran about like the high 400s if they want to discontinue stuff like that. But lo and behold, when I was looking at Louis Vuitton, I actually found a gorgeous silver pair and the price is amazing. I found these At Least by Night earrings and they were $585, and as you can see they are palladium and have little crystals around them. I think they're very classy. There are studs, so I think you could, you know, leave them in for every day. While I'm on Louis Vuitton, there are a couple of earrings that I have my eyes on. I don't think I'm gonna pull the trigger just because I do have my gold studs. So I think there's just other things I need to put ahead on my list right now, but I did want to show them anyway. First is the Louis PM earrings. They do have a bigger version as well, but these are the cheaper price point, so that's what I wanted to show you. They are $575. And if you remember my pink bag, it is actually like pretty much the same as the zipper handle, which is common in some of their bags. So if you want to match a bag, there's your option. I actually really love these. I just wish, you know, I didn't already have gold Louis Vuitton earrings because I feel silly getting ones that are like so similar. But they have new Eclipse earrings. They're both called the Eclipse earrings, but they are a little bit different. So I'm going to show these two. So here is the first version. And then here is the second version. And they are both $475. I just think their design is so different. I don't know. I really loved it. They're small, they're subtle, dainty. I don't know. It's just like, okay, finally, like we're not doing like the normal. I like this. On to Prada. Okay, so I'm pretty sure this was on my last wish list, but it's still here, okay? Because I don't have it, obviously, so it's still on my wish list. Arche leather shoulder bag. This is so much better than Celine to me. I don't want the Celine Triumph Arc or whatever it's called. I want this. This looks classier. This looks more subtle. It doesn't have the big chunky logo, Celine logo that I think is just gonna be so old later. This bag is $2,700, so she is expensive, which is why I haven't pulled the trigger, because it is just a brown leather bag. But one thing that I did love about this from Prada is Well, actually, from a lot that Prada is doing is they are using the gold logo. Thank you. Like, because people who buy luxury and designer stuff are typically, okay, well, I don't want to speak for everyone, but there's a lot of gold girlies that are designer luxury lovers. Gold. That is what I hear most often. I mean, okay, I know I'm a rose gold girl, and we're probably in the minority, but gold is more prominent or more popular than white gold and silver from my research. I don't know, maybe my TikTok algorithm is just so catered to me that it's gaslighting me. But anyway, when I think of designer and I think of luxury, I think of gold over white gold and silver, okay? Maybe it's just me, but that is why I'm appreciative of Prada actually using their gold logo now. They're like really throwing it out there, and I'm here for it. So this is one example of them using it. I think the gold on top of this chocolate leather is just, it was the move, honestly. Next are these embroidered shoes. So I actually saw these in person. So there is a resort here called the Kahala Resort. It is a super bougie resort where people do staycations here, but then obviously tourists come here, and they have this really expensive breakfast brunch, and I was there for that for a friend's birthday. And like, just to show you, it was like we went out on the balcony to take a picture, and I looked down, there's a freaking dolphin in the pool. Like, what? Anyways, but in the lobby they had different cases from different luxury and designer stores to promote their store and their brand to come shop there in Waikiki or Ala Moana. And they had this display for Prada, and these shoes were in here, and I was like, how have I not seen these? And so I immediately went to the website and stalked it. And I shouldn't have. You know why I shouldn't have? Because they have like 5 freaking colors, and they're all delicious, and I can't even tell you which one is my favorite. Okay, so I'm going to show you all these colors. Okay, get ready. First of all, they have this orange and white, which I love rose gold. That's my metal. My favorite color is orange, so I kind of die for these. And again, what do you see? You see a gold logo. You're gonna see a gold logo on, I think, maybe all of them, and it makes it, in my opinion. So I love the orange. I think it's a great statement. I don't know, I like kind of decided in the moment. I was like, I'm going to get one pair of these. Like, I just can't pick the color. And I don't know, I'm kind of like, just get the orange ones, because when does designer have like really good orange pieces? Which I will say, out of all the designers, I do see it more from Prada. But yeah, I just might do it because again, just like with my Jade Vert Oran sandals from Hermes, I think that statement shoes look good with like denim and a wider black top, which is what we're wearing most often anyway. Anywho, they also have this green. That's the other like pop out color, and I think it looks fabulous. I think it does. And you know what also makes it? The gold logo. I will die on this hill, okay? We need more. That needs to stay. But anyway, looks gorgeous. I'm not really a green person, but I would buy them. Next, which is the pair that was in the window, are the beige and white. I think if I don't go the orange to be a little out there, this is the pair. I think it's gorgeous. Again, gold hardware. I'm gonna keep saying it. I think this is the everyday pair. Yeah. It's hard to find a good beige shoe as well, and then you can mix the beige and the white. They also have a black and a beige, which I think might be my least favorite color combo in these shoes. I don't know, it just kind of looks boxy. It like finally looks like jester-y, you know, like a jester costume. I wouldn't be mad if I had them, don't get me wrong, but I think it might have to go be my least favorite. And then they have the black and white, which of course is classic. It is borderline, you know, that Joker costume, but I'm still here for it. Next, and I can't believe I'm saying this, but if you watch my last vlog, it's hard, honestly, like, Golden Goose. I know, don't come for me. Okay, but let me explain. The Golden Goose Pure Star. So not the ones that look all dirty and scuffed. These are just gonna be the really pretty, clean, pure stars. And then I want to get the customized from the customization bar that I showed you guys. I really do. I think I'm gonna get it Hawaii themed. That way, you know, if I ever move away from Hawaii, I have a piece of Hawaii. But honestly, yeah, just the Pure Stars look good in themselves. So Pure Stars are $575, which are cheaper than most luxury designer sneakers isn't the word, what is it? Trainers, as people call them. Those aren't super high on my list just because I did just buy Adidas, and honestly Adidas do the job. You know how I said that I think accessories are a great starting place? Shoes kind of scare me because I know that eventually they'll get dirty, but I'm still working my way into it. Last designer is Dior. So I honestly just want something from the Plan de Paris, which means map of Paris in French. I love that collection so much. I think it's so beautiful. I think it's so timeless, but I know it's probably gonna go away and I'm really sad about it already. I don't think I'll probably end up getting anything from this just because there's really nothing in the print that I want. I do want the slingback pumps, but I'm just not going to spend over $1,000 on pumps when I don't have an overly fancy job and there's not that much to wear slingback pumps here in Hawaii for. So this will probably just have to be eye candy, but man, those pumps are gorgeous. Like, those are pumps that you get just for your, like, the sake of looking at them. Like, yeah, I really do love them. They're gorgeous. I do also love that the print, so it is in beige and black, which is my favorite version, but they also have a black and white. Yeah, I think my dream item would be the slingback pumps in the beige and black Plan de Paris print. They also have a Plan de Paris beret in the black and white print, which I think is just the epitome of France. Okay, well, maybe not France, but because I don't think France and Paris like to be judged the same way, but I think is just like the epitome of Parisian style, the epitome of Dior. It's so cute. It's this beret with a little veil on it. Yeah, and it's under $1,000. It's like $925, and it would just be a fun like costume piece to have, but I'm not there yet. They also have a saddlebag, which I just genuinely just wanted to show you guys. It's in the exact same colors as my toile de jouet, so there's no way that I would ever get like both of those, but it is like, I mean, it's so cute. It is so cute. The only thing that I think I have a chance of getting would be the little scarf that is in the beige and black. I'm not really a fan of the black and white in this print. I'm not really sure why. Anyway, so this scarf is only $250. I say only, you know what I mean. It's always in the context of buying luxury and designer brands, which is always a privilege and a luxury. So I never say only to mean that like I don't think it's a lot, because I do, or else I'd have it all. But I have thought about getting this so that I do have a piece of that print in my collection, but I just don't know what I would do with it because it's just not the style I feel like here in America, especially not in Hawaii, to wear to this, you know. I feel like the only places people like wear things like this, like it goes with the environment and the fashion, would be like New York. But yeah, I don't have a just cause to buy it other than just to have it, and the scarf in this shape is so small anyways. Yeah, I don't know. I've even thought about getting the 90 centimeter scarf and like framing it or something, but I don't have a house, so I'm not gonna plan that far ahead, you know what I mean? Especially for like, I don't know, it's around $600 for that. Again, I want to say welcome to all my new subscribers. If you are new here, please like and subscribe. I am still a new channel, so any love is great. I would love to know what are items on your wish list, because hopefully I introduced you to some pieces. I would love to be introduced to some of your favorite pieces. Talk soon.